Everyone, in this quick tip tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly designate a key object when aligning shapes and other objects in Affinity Designer for iPad. Now, while I am using Designer here, the same process applies to both Photo and Publisher for iPad as well. Let's get started. So I have 4 shapes here and they're spread all over my canvas, and I want to be able to align these to their horizontal centers after designating one of the shapes as my key object, specifically this pink square. Now, before I do anything, I want to make sure that my command controller is on. If yours isn't, go up to the Documents menu at the top and choose Toggle Command Controller. Next, I'm going to use my Move tool to select all 4 of my shapes. I'll go to my command controller and I'm going to hold Alt down, so the one on the bottom, and I'll just tap this pink square. Now, you want to make sure that you don't tap and drag because Alt is also the modifier key to create a duplicate. Now, when I zoom in, you can see that now that I've tapped on the pink square with the Alt modifier, the bounding box around it is bolder than the rest, which means that this is now my key object. If I head up to the contextual menu to the alignment options and choose Align Middle, everything is going to be aligned to the horizontal middle of that pink square. Now, while I have all of these selected, what if I want to space all of these horizontally? Well, I can do that with the key object designated, but watch what happens in this case. Because the pink and the yellow squares were overlapping a bit on the y-axis, when I do that, everything is going to bunch up around that pink square. What I really want to be able to do is align all of these horizontally between the red and the green at the ends. So I need to remove the key object designation. Again, I'll hold Alt down on the command controller and tap the pink square, and you can see it no longer has that bold box around it. That's going to remove the key object designation, and now if I choose Space Horizontally, it's going to space all of my squares evenly between the red and the green ones at the very end. So do you want to see more quick tips like these on my YouTube channel, or do you have a favorite shortcut that you like to use in the Affinity Suite for iPad? Let me know in the comments below. If you have a suggestion for a tutorial you'd like to see here on my channel, let me know that as well. I have lots more to come here on YouTube, so if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so you always know when the next tutorial is live. In the meantime, you might want to check out one of these 2 next. Thanks for watching.